Pep Guardiola, Manchester City manager, says the game is not over. The final is not over, and almost 90 minutes at Etihad Stadium, as he believes that that's going to be the final. That's going to be the decisive match, and in fact, he is just appreciating the fighting spirit of the Manchester City players. He is just also appreciating the discipline of his players, as he used to say that it was just one among of the great match, a competitive match, and it was just the match of the two great and best teams in the world. Of course, Pep Guardiola understands well, and he knows well the quality of the Real Madrid Football Club, and he understands well the quality and the history of Real Madrid in this competition. In fact, he said that he is just he is going back at London. He is going back in London, of course, and he is going to make sure that he prepares his, of course, squad. He is going to prepare his players ready to fight for the next match of the second leg in London, and he uses to say that the only thing which is needed is about the huge support from the Manchester City fans. The only thing which is just needed is about the huge support from the Manchester City supporters, and of course players must be led. The players must also follow instructions so as to qualify to this stage, and of course he wants to win UEFA Champions League this season, and so much so good he knows well that he